So this day hasn't quite started how I wanted it to. So it's going to be a walking day. Let's see what I can do. So first of all, there's the Minute House there that I have seen, and I kind of just say it's beyond gorgeous. St Nicholas's Church, how flipping stunning is that? Jan Hus Monument. So basically I first walked up to the Old Town Square, which is just beautiful in every direction. It's 2 minutes away from our hotel. It's literally got everything here. It's just beautiful. Spanish synagogue. Yeah, I completely lied. This is the Spanish synagogue. What a plonker. To be fair, easy to get mistaken around here. There's like 1,000 beautiful buildings that you just can't help but think everything's something. Tally-ho, we're heading now from the Spanish synagogue to the Jewish quarter. Here I am at Prague's Jewish quarter. I mean, like, obviously they'd be building and it wouldn't be all okay. Like, how cool are the buildings here? Like, literally everyone. So, another tick. I can't say that it's like phenomenal because of all the roadworks and building works that's going on, but we've done it. We're here. So no messing around today. I have walked up here and up there somewhere. Looks like a beautiful building and hopefully a nice view over Prague. So I'm going to walk up there. I'm just going to admire this like river area first and then I'm off. Oh bloody hell, there's like 1,000 steps. Great exercise, I suppose. And here Oliver is taking his time. Well, we've made it. We've got up to Prague's Metronome, I think it's called. This should tick, but lo and behold, it's not. However, that is the ultimate view.
Oh look, there's a charing tree.
Yeah, there is. Of Prague. How on earth has that got up there? Holy cow, that pond there is frozen and somebody is in it. Oliver has just informed me that this is a pub. I have never in my life seen a woodpecker, and I swear that's a woodpecker. Yeah. Is that a woodpecker?
Pecking. We've just been walking through this park now and we've come to this. Now I don't think this video is doing this sculpture any justice. There's about 6 or 7 figures and it's a monument for Julius Caesar. Is that right? I think so. Yeah, he was a poet back in I think he died in 1901, so he's an old boy.
And it's in the gardens of, is it Queen Anne?
Yeah, the Palace of Queen Anne.
Yeah, a summer palace.
But yeah, that's stunning though. Like, this video won't do that justice. It's unreal.
It's a proper little hidden gem, this park. We're going to walk through it and head towards the Prague Castle. Queen Anne's Summer Palace. So back there's a metal detector to make sure you're not taking naughty things in.
So yeah,
Oliver skipped it and I wanted the full experience, so off I went through it. He didn't even want me to.
There's two guys to do the guns. Do you know, like when they've got that type of stuff, you need to be a bit mindful, don't you?
There is no way that any photo or video does this justice. That is absolutely astounding. The detail on this is just unbelievable. Like, that is just the entrance area. Look at that, even down to the roof. What do you think, Oliver?
It's just unreal. Like, no matter
So
where you
grand.
look, there's something that you think, God, why have they gone to that effort there? It's just everywhere.
Listen, it's shiny. And this is why it was so much better to walk up them steps this morning, because this is the reality, not the Instagram. It's packed and they are literally fighting to take selfies. It's awful. And we're going down all them steps. The Winged Lion Memorial, and you can just see over there the other one. So it's raining.
Yeah, it's raining.
And we wanted to go and see
cold.
the dripping wall, and we can kind of see the dripping wall there, but it's inside of the gardens.
Which gardens, when we looked closed.
They were closed and there were loads of construction work, weren't there?
Yeah, so we're just going to cross that off as a list, I think.
Yeah, I don't think that's going to happen. So, onwards. And St Nicholas's Church, which again, the photos just do not do it justice, do they?
No, they don't.
It's so grand and massive, and then there it looks tiny, but it's absolutely beautiful. The details are astounding. Tia is going to be so jealous. Guess where we are?
Just to rub it into you.
So wherever Tia goes, she always has to have a McDonald's, and we've always slated for it because there's so many varied meals to have when you go to different places. But we're cold, we need a wee, and we want a coffee, so we're going to go and hit McDonald's. I can't believe we're doing this.
No, I can't.
The chips are actually crunchy and boiling hot.
Best McDonald's ever, this to you.
Well, we've had something to eat and now we're back out and about, feeling refueled, but actually we're freezing. So we're just walking around the streets and we're going to go and find Prague's narrowest alley.
Apparently it's down there, so we'll see.
That is so unfair that they like put a big gate there. But we have made it to Prog's Nagrowist Alley.
Rubbish really that they block it off. But yeah.
That's a shame.
Anyway, we've been here 2 days now. And what haven't we had?
A beer.
Next stop.
Being statues. It's Oliver. Statue of Oliver and his best mate. I am actually exhausted from walking around since early hours of this morning. So we've come back to the hotel room. We're gonna have a cup of tea. I need to de-layer because I put that many layers on this morning. I couldn't bend. So we're just gonna have half an hour and then we're gonna go and find a pub.